Welcome to Hotstone Media. Disclaimer: all mechanical and electrical work should be carried out only by qualified professionals. This video is intended for general guidance purposes only and should not be considered a definitive or comprehensive instruction manual. If you don't know what you're doing, do not attempt this work. By watching this video, you acknowledge and accept that any damage or injury to yourself, your vehicle, or others is entirely your responsibility. Proceed at your own risk. You have been warned. This is a short information video that details an overview of the process of changing the engine oil and oil filter on an Audi RS5 2014. The work was carried out by Kay, a certified engineer of Prominence Roadside Mobile Mechanic. He's not just your everyday mechanic, he is a fully qualified engineer who previously worked for a government agency where he conducted safety inspections on military transport vehicles, as well as lorries and buses. Once the vehicle has been safely elevated and properly supported, you'll need to remove the under tray cover by unscrewing the multiple fasteners. Keep in mind it's held in place by several screws of 3 different sizes. To remove the oil drain plug, you will need a 6mm Allen key. To access the oil filter, you'll have to remove the plastic cover on top of the engine. Once it's off, the oil filter housing will be visible. You will need a 32mm socket and ratchet to unscrew the housing. Once you've reinstalled the oil filter and allowed the old engine oil to fully drain, fit the drain plug back in place using a new washer to ensure a secure and leak-free seal. Then the final steps would be to reinstall the under tray cover, lower the vehicle down safely, fill up the engine oil to the correct amount according to the manufacturer's recommended level, and reset any oil service or maintenance light displayed on the dashboard. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video enjoyable and the information helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep creating more content like this. Every viewer matters, and I truly appreciate you being here. Thank you.